Bob Hoetzen drove all the way to Manchester from New Jersey to recognize the heroic actions of a John Doe, who recently came forward about his alleged abuse at the hands of a New Hampshire priest decades ago.
If he's watching this presentation today, I hope he understands how he is going to help so many people. The numbers he will never know.
Hoetzen and Mitchell Garabedian, an attorney representing that John Doe, announced that the diocese agreed to a six-figure settlement, alleging the child had been sexually abused by Father Alfred Janetta several times in 1973 and 1974 at St. Paul Church in Franklin, which has since become St. Gabriel Parish.
Alfred Janetta gave my client alcohol and marijuana before each episode of abuse. And the incidents happened in or around the church. That is St. Paul's Church.
According to the Diocese of Manchester website, Janetta has since died. There were no lawsuits filed because the claims happened outside the statute of limitations. But Garabedian, who has represented hundreds of clergy sex abuse victims worldwide, says people should always know they can come forward.
It's never too late to report the sexual abuse, to stand up for yourself, to empower other victims, and make the world a safer place for children.
And in a statement, the Diocese of Manchester said in part, the Diocese of Manchester provides financial assistance to those who have been harmed, regardless of when the abuse occurred, through a process utilizing independent trauma-informed consultants. The diocese ensures that law enforcement is notified of reports of sexual abuse of a minor by church personnel, as well as the New Hampshire Division for Children, Youth and Families when appropriate. Live in Manchester, Hannah Cotter, WMUR News 9.